The Apple Watch 7 is just the Watch 6 with a bigger screen and quicker charging. Most people will choose it for its new colors rather than its unique functions. However, it still has many excellent features and is a fantastic second screen for iPhone users. It is especially beneficial for anybody who often requires an ECG or blood oxygen monitor. To simplify, we separated the review into different sections. You can jump into your desired section. Nevertheless, we recommend you stay tuned until the end to get a clear product orientation. Without further ado, let's get started. Series 7 has a redesigned appearance with softer and more rounded edges. Although the casings are bigger, older bands still fit in them. Its most impressive feature is its large, bright, and vibrant display. The always-on OLED Retina display maintains a maximum brightness level of 1000 nits, making it simple to read inside and outside the home. It's available in aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. All the variants come in different colors, especially aluminum variants come in 4 colors: midnight, starlight, green, and blue. The aluminum versions are the cheapest, while the titanium variants are the priciest. This smartwatch has a 1.5-inch touchscreen color OLED Retina display, is compatible with iOS, and supports step counting, sleep monitoring, calorie burning, and more. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. Overall, Series 7 was simple to use, not as precise as others for counting steps, but outstanding at tracking heart rate. We found it was pretty simple to pair, interact with, and connect to a charger with newer versions of cell phones. At the same time, the build quality is top-notch. In a nutshell, the performance score is 87 out of 100. An outlook is recommended. There are over 30,000 reviews on Amazon, and 88% are 5 stars. That's fantastic! After analyzing the user comments, we discovered that the Watch 7's primary selling points are its brighter screen, built-in microphone, independent GPS, and quick charging. On the other hand, the user is dissatisfied with the device's low battery life of just 1 day. Thanks for watching! In our playlist, you'll get buying guide, the top 10 brands, and some of our recommended brand details. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.